Anybody want to leave us a comment? See what you think. Cylinder number 4. Right there. Just a little bit higher than the rest of the cylinders. We had to make a modification on the cowling, make a cowl flap, draw more air out of the cowling to get our cylinder head temperatures and down a little bit on takeoff. Try to control our engine temperatures on climb out. So this is our attempt on that. We were before cutting the bigger hole out, so now we're making a cowl flap to increase a negative pressure on the back side of the cowling. Right here, cylinders 3 and 1, the exhaust system. A lot of people were asking about it. The cylinders are wrapped. This is a homemade, custom built exhaust system that my dad came up with. It's a heat shroud for carb heat. For 3 and 4. Here's cylinders 4 and 2 on the Continental 200. The exhaust system. The custom exhaust system my dad made. And that's the heat shroud that does cabin heat. There's the exhaust system. He wants to get a Vetterman's exhaust on this, and then if we do that, we're going to have to make a new cowling for the airplane. Which, if we do that, we're going to have to repaint the cowling anyhow. We're having some paint issues, or make a new cowling anyhow. We're having some paint issues with the fiberglass and the cowling, but this 0200 is a beast, and it's been fun. So we ended up machining an additional hold down and then going straight through and making it so it bolted down there. Help hold the wheel. It has one bolt that goes up to the center, but that helps keep the tail wheel centered on the back there from it sliding back and forth. Yeah, I love that shock tail wheel. Here's old Papa putting his cowling on.
Ready to grab it?
You lined up over there?
It's acting a little strange. think we're getting there.
There you go. That's a shot of the cowl flap on the bottom side of the cowling.
Deflector.
Deflector, cowling, cowl flap. Non-adjustable cowl flap. We'll see how that helps with our cylinder head temperatures. We're getting a little higher temperature on cylinder number 4. Anybody want to leave us a comment? See what you think. Cylinder number 4. Right there. Just a little bit higher than the rest of the cylinders.